In a country where many say, ganyan na talaga, one leader dared to ask,
Kung hindi ka lilinya ng malinaw, kung makikipagkompromiso ka, kung hindi mo man lang kayang sabihin na mali ang mali, na kaninong panig ka ba talaga?
This is the story of Maria Leonor Leni Hirona Robredo, a lawyer, advocate, and the 14th Vice President of the Philippines. Born and raised in Naga City, she lived by the values of simplicity, hard work, and compassion.
Noon pong nakamit ko na ang matagal kong minimithi, ipinangako ko po sa aking sarili na gagamitin ko sa tama ang ipinagkaloob sa akin. Nagtrabaho muna po ako sa Public Attorney's Office. Doon po ay dumipensa ako ng ating mga kababayan na nasasakdal, ngunit walang perang pambayad sa abogado.
During the pandemic, her office launched shuttle services, PPE drives, and vaccine hubs. Through storms, crisis, and political attacks, she stood her ground with calm and conviction.
Yung honesty, napakalaking factor sa integrity ng isang tao. Kung wala kang ganun, dapat hindi mo nga iniisip maglingkod. Kasi paano ka makakapaglingkod kung may problema ka sa sarili mo?
Her legacy reminds us that leadership is not about power, it's about people.